Photoshop 3D effect tutorial. How to create a Photoshop 3D effect.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Step 1. Drag the image that you would like to use. The next step is to duplicate your image or Ctrl-J and then lock the image and the duplicated image that we now have, adjust and resize. The next step is to right-click on your image and click Blending Options and copy the following presets. Add a drop shadow, and here are the presets. Feel free to adjust this according to what you like, but this is what's going to make the 3D effect insane. The next step is to click Bevel and Emboss, and here are the settings, Contour, and then Texture. With your image still highlighted or selected, click the up arrow and then the right arrow key, and then Control Shift and Alt or Command on Mac. As you can see, we just duplicated the image. Do that one more time. Control Shift Alt and T all at the same time. And keep doing this until you're happy with the desired results. As you can see, it's looking more like a 3D image. Once you have all your images duplicated, you want to highlight the previous image or the current image. Scroll down until you find the original or the copy. Hold Shift on your keyboard and click so it highlights all of the images, and right click and click Convert to Smart Object. And this is the before. And this is the after.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.